I'm in neutral. What bike is that? Oh, nice! You know what I didn't bring? A bag. How are you? How are you, mate? You good? Yeah. Like, I just got my tyre changed, but they done a whole health check. And then, yeah, I found out I need new front pads. This is random. What is this? A Kawasaki 1000 XS. Flipping hell, that thing moves. Don't it? Oh, hello. Sounds alright, doesn't it? Woo! That is crazy. Don't suppose you can get a sick picture of me, can you? How should I sit? Does it do moving shots? Welcome to a new video, guys. If that sounded satisfying, make sure you drop a like. Because right now, I'm doing my own bike work. I know. Am I on drugs? Nah, it's just brake pads. I don't mind doing my own bike work, but we all know that a 5-minute job can turn into a 5-day job if you don't have the right tools, if something goes wrong. But it's just brake pads. I already loosened the pads because, like, this is what I'm working with. Look at this thing. It doesn't even spin properly. Like, when you put it on the thing, spin it, it starts jumping around. But anyway, yeah, we got new pads for the front because they were so low. Funny, the woman in the shop, she was like, yeah, you're one of them guys that don't use the rear brake. I know about you lot. Anyway, let's put these front pads on because I'm in the ride pro. I've got a new tyre, new front pads. Let's get this cracking. Oh, good start. That's the wrong one. Yeah, these ones are just gonna... Where's my tool? There's a 14mm right there. It's the most technical thing I've said all day. It's literally just two 14mm bolts. I'm assuming the caliper is just going to slide right off. And then I'll just get a flathead screwdriver, compress the pistons, slap the new pads in, slap them back on, it should be good to go. Oh, piss off. Oh, I need that as well. Moment of truth. Please go to plan. Please. Oh, there we go. Actually, no, I haven't got my flathead. Get off there. Thing is, yeah. My tool selection is that bad that it wouldn't surprise me. This screwdriver just snapped right now. I don't mind doing bike work if it goes to plan. You know what I mean? When bike work goes to plan, ain't too bad. And when you don't do it in a helmet, it ain't too bad either. So I'll only be doing this pad on video for you guys. I think there's a little spring. Like, I think it's spring loaded at the bottom. Zoom in on that. Look at that. They're Gonzo Alfonso. They literally said, like, when they was changing the wheel for me, they said, your brake pads are what we call, I think they said red zone. They said, we can change it for you now if you want. Oh, right, that's not even the right side. Oh my God. They are bambitoed. Look at that, finito bambitoed. Have I put these in the wrong way? I didn't pay attention. This one just came out last, so I pulled that out. The near side, but either way, that doesn't matter because that's gay. Oh my God, what's wrong with me? Guys, if you saw the way I just put that in, I put it in the fucking, put the pad side towards the piston. I've nearly done it again. What's wrong with me? Put them in place. Plenty of space. Right now, have I done this right? Mechanic. And that's that. I'm gonna do the. Oh, I don't want to touch the bike. I just cleaned it. I don't know if you lot can see me on there. Yeah. Now I'm gonna slap the other one on, and then I'll see you after. Obviously now we're gonna compress the caliper, compress the pistons. Final step. That should be good. There we go. Right guys, we're in London. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. We've got the KTM 790 Adventure right here with the Africa Twin. We're gonna go cruise through Central, see what we get up to. And yeah, that's about it. Subscribe, like, comment. Stay tuned for the next video.